What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous estates of wineries in Pomerol on the right bank of the famous Bordeaux wine region of France. An estate that Robert Parker himself has called one of the most distinctive, most exotic and greatest wines, not only in Pomerol but in the world. And this is perhaps also due to its high proportion of Cabernet Franc together with Merlot. There's about 50% proportion of each, which is not very common in that area of Pomerol. We are next to Château Lafleur Pétrus and not far at all from Pétrus itself. So very top estate. How do you go about pronouncing this with the typical French pronunciation? Château Lafleur. Château Lafleur, but it'd be fine to say Château Lafleur, Château Lafleur. Typical French pronunciation again, Château Lafleur, Château Lafleur. If you want to become an expert in Bordeaux wine and how to say all the wines in the world, here are videos just for you that you should watch next. I will leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir, bye bye.